Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create to-do lists or checklists in general in your notes on Google Keep. So let us get started. Head over to your notes on Google Keep and start a new note. But instead of giving or adding a title, do this instead. Click into new list here to the right, and that is going to convert your note into a to-do list. Now you can add a title like checklist number 1. And after that, start adding items. The first default item will be already added with the checkbox. So give it a name like, I don't know, option 1. Oh, excuse the typo here. And if you'd like to add more options, click into list item here and give your second item a name, and continue doing that by clicking into that plus button, option 3, and so on and so forth, guys. So I guess you see what I'm getting at here. So if you'd like to delete these items, clicking to the X button here to the right. You may also change their position by clicking and hovering your mouse and clicking into that handle here to the left, and simply hold your left mouse and position your options or items. And that's basically it. You may of course customize these checklists as you normally do with your notes. And once you're ready, guys, click into close. And now your checklist has been created. Now if you'd like to mark these options as complete, simply click into that checkbox and you will see these completed items listed below with that strike through here. That's it, guys. If you'd like to uncheck them, uncheck the box here to the left. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.